Now these ones are going to seem kind of weird, but we're still, these ones we don't even have to graph, we just have to move. Well, that'll make it easier. Remember when we did that translating to graph thing where our absolute values move left and right and up and down? Mm-hmm. Same thing here. For the left or right, we're going to use the part with the x, wherever the x is. So we're going to say x plus 1 equals 0, just like we did before. And then we have to move our number over. So x is going to equal minus 1, right? Yeah. Which moves, it's going to move to the left, one spot. For our up or down, we used our end number. That end number is a minus 1, so it moved down 1. So this is one of those where you're going to grab the dot, you're going to move it to the left 1 and down 1 and drop it. So it happens to end up right there, and then your graph is just going to redraw, in this case right underneath there since we moved it to the left and down. So, I'm going to move this graph. I got to figure out how it moves. What am I going to do?
Your x, what is that? X, I can't see that.
X minus 1.
X minus 1?
It's an x minus 1.
Equals 0.
Equals 0.
X is going to equal 1.
Which moves it? Which way?
Left.
If it's a positive 1,
To the right?
to the right. I'm going to move to the right one because it's a positive 1, right? And it is also going to move
Down.
3. So I'm going to take my point, I'm going to move it to the right 1 and down 1, 2, 3. So it ends up at 1, negative 2. And then my graph is going to redraw through that dot. You're just going to move it over and it'll move with you. All right, and then the last one, number 18. How is that graph going to move?
What is that?
Get the board to move. That is x plus 4.
X plus 4 equals 0. So x is going to equal negative 4.
So it's going to move
Negative 4 is going to move left.
left 4. And
I can see 3. 3 down.
3 which way?
3 up.
Up, because it's a plus 3, right?
Yeah.
So I'm going to grab that dot. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left and 1, 2, 3 up. So it's at negative 4, positive 4. If I could draw, the computer will have the drawing there for me. I just have to move the dot. So I moved it to the left 4, up 3. All right. So, rest class period, we had about an hour.